The DBT half smile skill can be used anytime you want to feel peaceful and serene inside, but definitely when you are emotionally overwhelmed. Do you know Mona Lisa? Da Vinci's painting of the woman who had the sly little smile? That's what I want you to do. It's not a big, cheesy, fake grin. It's just a tiny turn up of the corners of your mouth. If it feels fake or tense, you're doing too much. Half smile is just a tiny upturn of the corners of your mouth that sends a message to the brain that all is well. Now, this isn't a magic wand that's intended to make all your troubles go away. That's never the goal in DBT. DBT is about accepting things as they are while you work out how to make them better, if that's an option or desire. But the half smile can make it easier to be in a situation that you don't like. It can make it easier to snap out of a funk. If you'd like to practice it now, think of something that's a little irritating and then half smile. See how that changes things. I have clients who practice half smile even when they aren't irritated. They tell me that it makes the day nicer. So you don't have to wait until you're stressed. You can do it all the time and see how much more cheerful you can be. More is more with half smile. The more you do it, the more peace you will feel. So my suggestion is that you do lots of it. Be sure to check out the other DBT skills. You don't have to like or practice all of them to become more effective, but the more tools that you have in your toolbox, the more options you have. So subscribe to get notified when the next skill drops. And if you're in Virginia, Colorado, or Indiana and want to join my live class, I highly recommend that. People are social creatures. It's easier to learn and practice with the support of others. See you soon.